Don't worry, I'm coming, I got you. I'm the best Fortnite player in the world. With my lightning bolts. The best weapon in the game. Okay, where are these people at? They're just, okay, they're bots. I mean, I don't know if I waste time. I don't know if we can do 200 damage in one lightning bolt. I have to test that out. Okay. Oh, chill. Okay, I'm a bit low. Mickey, can you please get to me? Okay, I'm gonna drop my Mickey. Yeah, they're just, yeah, they're okay. I won't lightning bolt you yet. They'll probably just snipe me because I'm 1 HP. I see minis down there. I'm gonna go grab it. World record, okay. How do I lose it? Okay, I can't get my minis, so I'll just pop my over. Coming to you, Mickey Duck. Oh, by the way, Mickey Duck, Mickey Duck 61, here's his channel, and we're doing a race to 100 subscribers, and I want to beat him, so please subscribe. Okay. I'll come with you, I'll rush. Oh, they're even. Okay, that was embarrassing, the last one. I just need oh, I've already got max match. Okay, I'm coming to you. Okay. I've got my pink motorbike. If you have a make. No? Okay. Get on my motorbike, we're gonna go to the bike. Get on my motorbike. Get on my motorbike. Mickey Duck, I'm gonna leave. Goodbye, I guess. Still not coming. There's nobody there. Okay, I'm gonna leave. I've got deep concussion. Okay. Hopefully nobody's camping because I'm dead. If they will. You're lucky. You get all the good loot. You've already got the mythic from the boss, so kind of useless to you. Check this. Okay. Let's go to poor gold. Buy too many medkits and then die. There is medkits. Okay. I don't know what I was thinking there. Okay. Still looting. I thought you would have like really good ones. Okay, I was trying to be helpful, but I'm clearly not. Okay, yep, you're taking, I'm gonna leave. You're taking too long, and I don't like that. Okay. A lot of crowns in our lobby, so there could be some competitors. Okay, a big part. How many big parts are there? One. Okay, that's subdues. Gatekeeper and drop. Wait a second, let's go to that. And thanks for the medkit. Okay. Where should we go? Loot Island. Yeah. Okay. Do you wanna come to Loot Island? I'm just hoping for a lightning bolt from there.
What you want, but never call me forgettable. Leave you deep in thought, I can never swim in the kiddie pool. Way that I've been thinking the cinematic is beautiful. And I don't know if I'm making movies or music videos. In the hustle where you say millions of lies, you don't relate to that. Must not be as crazy as I am. The point of making is the mind is a powerful place. And what you feel can affect you in a powerful way. It's pretty cool, right? Yeah, but it's not always safe. Just hang with me. Just only take a moment, okay? Just think about it for a second. If you look at your face, you measure it. Take a measurement to back it up and give me the evidence. Pretty evident. Dependable can never be tentative. I'm a gentleman, depending on if I think you're genuine. Pretty elegant, but not afraid to tell you to get it. With proper etiquette, I keep it to myself when I celebrate. It's that time.
That's nice. Whoa, I dropped it. Okay, we need to get this before zone. I mean, there's nothing. I'll get new wings. I'll get this chest because I've got medkits. I got 3 medkits now actually. I'll just get all the chests. I'll just hope for another one. Okay. Please, I just need a lightning bolt. I can't do it with just one more lightning bolt. Please. No. Okay, there's one more chest, but I don't reckon I'm risking for that. Okay, I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you. Lion? Oh, there's one shooting over there. This player's over there. Yeah, about there. Oh, this guy using one. And I come here and you leave me. Okay, how lovely. Was it just... Oh, down here. I just open every chest because you can sort of get the lightning bolts out of the chest, so I'm just gonna pray. Okay, surely you got this fight all sorted. Okay, you might believe it. Okay, perfect landing. Watch this. Nail hopefully those people just die so we have less competitors. Can you like find a bush? Captain. Oh hell no, I'll just go to this building first. Just go here. Wait, never mind, this side is on. Okay. Turn back around. Okay, I'm coming to you. You got a bush, I think. I'm just gonna hide behind the trees. I don't think anyone will come around here. It's like in the middle of nowhere. Okay, I'm here. Just snipe him. I mean, I'm just gonna sit here, but you can snipe him. You got one. Okay. And I'm just gonna rotate around the back of the trees. I don't want to die, please. Depends if these last players are good or they complete boss. Okay. I'm coming. I'll get up this hill. Bush. Yes, there is a bush. Okay. Anderson has done that perfectly. Okay. I'm just gonna make a little spot for you. Snipe. Yeah, snipe this with me. You got it. You got this. Okay, apparently you don't got this. Unless you have cracked them and I just haven't noticed. Oh, they're snapping back. Oh, no, they're spraying with ARs. Okay, I'll build a little fortress. Well, never mind, they're going to shoot at me. Yeah, reload that gun. Okay, so you can snipe from the top of here. Okay, they both got snipers. I'm just gonna hide. Yeah, snipe. That's what you get. Snipe out this guy. I mean, not like I have a sniper, so I can't say that. Snipe him. I mean, I know you don't have to do well, but still, try your best. Okay. I'm pretty sure there's one down there. I don't know where they've actually gone. I've completely... Oh, I see him sniping. Oh, someone is using wings. Snipe that guy. Oh, I got you. Don't worry. Keep sniping. I've just got to wait here for the perfect opportunity. I think I got a good... opportunity. I'm gonna do it. Oh, he's really low. Shoot him. Spray him or something. I don't know. But he's that guy I got pretty low. He's like I think 20 health. Maybe even less, I don't know. Maybe even more actually. I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna pop this mini in. You got this, keep sniping him. Oh, you're knocked one. Okay, I'm gonna rush in. Okay, where are they? Are they in that box over there? Are they in there? In that box. Are they there? Okay, I'm gonna... Yes, let's go! Thank you, Mickey Duck. Okay, I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year or month. Okay, thank you, Mickey Duck. Okay, cue that music. Okay.